Coming up on today's show, we got launch updates, OneWeb loses 36 sats to Russia, plus more space news. So launch updates this week, we've got SpaceX with their Falcon 9 rocket launching another batch of Starlink satellites on September the 11th on Sunday. Then Firefly Alpha are launching their mission to the Black on September the 11th. And also on Monday, we've got Blue Origin's New Shepard and their NS-23 flight. And as well this week, we've got ABL Space Systems Ares-1 rocket, which is their very first demo launch, so best of luck to them on September the 12th. Then we got China's Long March 7A launching an unknown payload on Tuesday the 13th. Then on Wednesday the 14th, we've got Rocket Lab and their Electron rocket and their mission, the Owl Spreads Its Wings. And last but not least, we've got Roscosmos launching their Soyuz rocket and their MS-22 crewed mission to the International Space Station. So first up this week, we've got SLS, NASA's Mighty Moon rocket. First there were engine issues, now there's fuel and problems. It's been announced by NASA that they'll be carrying out an on-site fix at the pad, switch over a liquid hydrogen seal that caused a scrub earlier in the week, keeping open an option of launch attempt later this month. In a statement, NASA said technicians plan to replace the seal for the interface called the quick disconnect between the liquid hydrogen feed line and the core stage of SLS. This work can be done on the pad rather than rolling the vehicle back to the vertical assembly building at the Kennedy Space Center. So it looks like a quick fix to get the launch done sooner rather than later. A roll back to NASA's vertical assembly bay would massively delay the process, so thankfully a fix on site should do the trick. And don't forget, you can join us live for the launch right here on Total Space. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell to join us live for the launch for the world's biggest rocket, as stated by NASA. And if you pretend SpaceX's Starship or Super Heavy doesn't exist. Some OneWeb news this week. If you cast your mind back a little while to an earlier episode, OneWeb suspended launches of Russia's Roscosmos. One, because of the ridiculous demands they were making, and two, the obvious one, the ongoing war at the moment. But in short, OneWeb is set to take a $229 million charge this year, linked to the termination of its Soyuz launch contract with Roscosmos. Work is ongoing to make some attempt to recover the 36 OneWeb satellites, but progress is not great at the moment, as stated by OneWeb. Launches have moved to Israel and SpaceX, fortunately, so hopefully the team can crack on with the job at hand. Now, in other news, Rocket Lab has signed on to the US military's rocket cargo program with their new and upcoming launch system, Neutron, which is built to be the fully reusable second stage. They're set to become a rapid point-to-point cargo transfer service. Similarly, Starship is also in the works for this with the US military. It'll be interesting to see how all this works and the risk involved, especially in high-risk areas where countries may be at war with one another. So that's it for this week. Thanks for watching. Like this video, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you support us on our journey through time and space on patreon.com/totalspace. Catch you later.